In a faraway kingdom surrounded by vast, ever-shifting deserts, there lived a princess unlike any other. Her name was Princess Rania, and she was known not for her beauty or wealth, but for her remarkable bond with the desert's sands. Legend had it that Rania was born during a rare celestial event, when 1,000 shooting stars rained down on the earth. As a child, she could summon patterns and shapes in the sand with a mere thought, painting stories and images across the dunes. Her kingdom, Talura, thrived on trade with distant lands, and travelers often spoke of her incredible gift. It was said that her sand paintings could tell the future, calm storms, and even guide lost souls to safety. However, Rania's abilities came with a prophecy that haunted her. It was foretold that one day, a dark force would rise from the desert, seeking to claim the painted sands and plunge the kingdom into eternal night. Years passed, and Talura flourished under Rania's gentle rule. But one fateful night, the stars above flickered and dimmed, and a shadow moved across the desert. A mysterious sorcerer named Zafar, cloaked in darkness, appeared before the palace. He demanded that Rania surrender her powers, or he would unleash a curse upon the land, turning the once lively desert into a barren wasteland. Unwilling to bow to the threat, Rania devised a plan. With the help of her trusted friend, a wise and ancient falcon named Sahar, she embarked on a journey deep into the desert to find the source of her powers, the mystical sands of eternity. Legend claimed that only by merging her heart with the sands could she gain the strength to defeat Safar. The journey was perilous, filled with treacherous dunes and ancient spirits that guarded the secrets of the desert. Along the way, Rania learned that her powers were not just a gift, but a responsibility. The sands held the memories of her ancestors and the wisdom of her people, and they had chosen her as their guardian. When Rania finally reached the sands of eternity, she faced her greatest challenge. To merge with the sands, she had to confront her deepest fears, the fear of losing her kingdom, her people, and herself. But with Sahar's guidance, she embraced the sands, becoming one with them in a dazzling display of golden light. Empowered by the ancient magic of the desert, Rania returned to face Zafar. With a wave of her hand, the sands rose like a tidal wave, surrounding the sorcerer in a storm of glowing patterns and symbols. Zafar, overwhelmed by the power of the painted sands, was banished into the deepest part of the desert, never to return. Talura rejoiced as their princess restored peace to the land. From that day on, the painted sands became a sacred part of the kingdom's history, and Rania, now the eternal guardian of the sands, was forever remembered as the princess who could shape the desert's destiny with her heart.